months old, we noticed that he had started to develop a rash.
He got a fever that didn't seem to go away. We eventually were able to, through the emergency room, go and see a dermatologist who diagnosed it as an autoinflammatory disease and had us go to Toronto for treatment.
Found out that he had a blood disorder that was life-threatening, and they had to get him on ridiculously high doses of steroids in order to control this thing. The doctors had no idea really what was going on with Daniel. They tested him for everything. Every test that he had came back negative. They did find with the skin biopsy that he had a type of autoinflammatory disorder, but not one that they had ever seen, and certainly not this combination of symptoms that they've ever seen together. So are we gonna do it? Why not? Well, what happens if we don't do it?
This will come up.
What?
This will come up.
What will?
A fireball.
Your fireball?
They got a fireball and they have a needle that freezes it, and I do it every day, and I'm so good. My body thinks I'm sick when I'm not, and that's a trick of a fireball.
He still has this life-threatening blood disorder as a part of his illness, and that could flare up at any time, and because his medication is experimental, there's always the risk that the medication, the treatment, may stop working.
I have to do blood work, and I have to go see Dr. Bobby.
Daniel's child life specialist is Erika, and she is wonderful. She just really helps him to be able to focus on the positives, and when he's going through blood work and he's sitting in these clinic appointments for a long time, it can be quite challenging, and we're very thankful to have her as a resource. Being in and out of the hospital with your child is not something you ever picture when you become a parent. When you live in a world where we have information at our fingertips all the time, it's hard to go into a doctor's office and have them say that they can't tell you exactly what's wrong with your child or how to treat it or what the future is going to look like. Thank you all so much for being here and for being a part of our story.